Hi there, I'm Kashina and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an entrepreneur and something I'm very passionate about is passive income. I think it's so important that we work smarter instead of harder and figure out how we can earn more while working less. And these different strategies that I'm going to share with you in today's video will allow you to do exactly that. Passive income can really help elevate your earnings and fill in the gaps that your 9-to-5 job can't fill on its own. If you're looking to replace your 9-to-5 income so you can quit your job, the passive income ideas on this list can help you do that. First, run a blog. The most popular passive income stream tends to come from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, and more. It's true that it can take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic. The biggest perk of creating a blog is that you can turn that one asset into several different streams of income. So if you're looking for an easy passive income idea, blogging might be the perfect option for you. Number 2. Create a course. Selling online courses is one of the best passive income ideas of 2021. If you're good at something, you could share your knowledge by creating a course. Whether you decide to sell a course on your own website or on a platform like Udemy or Skillshare, you'll find customers who want to learn your insider tips and tricks. Third one is create an app. Creating stuff tends to lead to passive income. If you're a developer or programmer, you might want to try creating apps as a passive income stream. Or if you're not a developer or programmer, you can simply hire one. Then, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app, or you can monetize your app in a number of ways, including running in-app advertising, offering paywalled content, and charging for premium features. The fourth one is sell your videos. If you always find yourself in the middle of a drama or exciting event, you might want to pull out your phone and hit record. Doing that can help you make some passive income. You can sell your videos to news sites like Newsflare or Rumble. And if the video takes off, you can make some recurring money for weeks, months, and sometimes even years. Number 5. Write an ebook. Ebooks exploded onto the scene in 2009 and 2010 and are still a hugely popular content medium. Even though they first became popular a few years ago, there's still a pretty good chunk of people who make passive income from writing ebooks to this day. Number 6 is become a silent business partner. If you would love to own a business but don't have the time or expertise, you might want to consider becoming a silent business partner. In other words, you contribute financially to the company but leave the day-to-day operations to your partner. After your investment, you'll be paid a percentage of the profits regularly and your money will be backed by a percentage ownership of the company. This one is semi-passive, but vending machine businesses are surprisingly profitable, low maintenance, and almost anyone could get in. Simply buy a few vending machines, then, every couple of weeks, drive around to replenish the stocks and then collect your cash. You could even hire someone to do the cashing and replenishing for you. It doesn't get much easier than that. And that's it in today's video. But wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell button. See you guys in the next video.